Hi children, I am Aruna from Bhadrachalam from Knowledgepedia channel. Okay children, look here. Now I am going to explain you 7th class science first lesson. What is the first lesson name? Food components. Okay children. Now what are the food components? What are the meaning of components? Listen carefully. Components are nothing but nutrients. Okay. Nutrients are nothing but what, ma? Yeah, nutrients are nothing but substances which make us strong and healthy. What nutrients means? Substances which make us strong and healthy. Understand? Those substances are called nutrients. Now listen. Now in the food, in last previous 6th class what you learned, different types of food items, what we are adding, idli, vada, dosa, everything you learned, biryani, special items, how to prepare, everything you learned in the 6th class. Yes or no? Condiments means what, ma? Do you remember? Condiments means spices. Okay. Sugandha dravyalu in Telugu. Okay, ma? Spices you are adding now for the getting flavor, those are called condiments. Okay, Nana? Now see, you know already in that lesson you learned how to cook also. What are your favorite everything. Now see, everyone have own favorite food. Yes or no? Now I am asking you, what is your favorite food, ma? Yes, everyone are having different types of favorite foods. Everyone not have the same type of favorite food. Yes or no? Why? So taste will be different for everyone. Okay. If your favorite food, why that only will be your favorite food? That also you have to learn. This is the work for you. Okay. You have to write down your favorite food. Why? What your favorite food and why you are liking that? Have to write down. And one more question. It is sufficient for you? Not other one. Only favorite food is sufficient for you. These all answers have to write. Like for example, I am telling how to write. My favorite food is biryani, chicken dum biryani. Okay. What is my favorite food? Chicken dum biryani. Why? Why? Because really when I am eating that, it feels complete, nice taste. Okay, I am feeling that it's very tasty and feeling like complete something, satisfied with the food. Okay, that is my answer. And it is sufficient? No, it is not sufficient. Daily that one only we are unable to eat. Yes or no? So you have to write like this way. And what food do you eat every day? Yeah, you have to find out, Nana. One more activity I am giving you. Do one thing. You can take at morning to evening what you are eating. Just take one snap, okay, one pic, and write down the description in that. Edit it some description morning what you are ate everything. Okay. Why do you eat it? Why do you eat it? Why you are eating that? You have to write down. For example, morning. If you are drinking warm water. I am drinking at morning warm water. Eating means I will tell you first drinking I am telling you. You can also follow the warm water because of now crucial time COVID affects so many people lives. Okay, we have to care about our life. Okay children, follow this every day. Increase the drinking warm water up to 1 liter. First slowly start. Okay Nana. Now why do you eat it? For example, you are eating breakfast like idli or anything. Why do you eat it? Because to get energy. Yes or no? Why we are eating the food? We get energy. By eating food only we are getting energy. Only for energy we are eating? No. What? Energy will utilize for growing only. No, we are grow. And it's utilized for the activities of our body also. Now see, in this lesson, first let us do one activity is there. You know already this activity you completed in your 6th class only. What is that? You have to form your groups and collect all the information related to which person are a favorite food, which food they are eating 1 week. You have to write down the name of the person and which food item they are eating. Okay, let's do this activity. You can understand that how the food is different from each other. Food items are different from each other. Now, food supplies energy. Yes or no? Now I said no, energy. Energy will maintain many, it's very important for doing many tasks or many activities. Yes or no, ma? So food is supplying energy. Yes, to do so many activities. Here they are asking some questions. Do you need energy when you are sleeping? Why? Why not? Somebody are thinking, if you are sleeping, no energy, no need energy, no need the energy, so no need to eat anything. Somebody will think like that, but it's not correct. Okay, why? Because when we are sleeping, we are stop the breathing, ma. No, yeah, we are stop this blood circulation will stop, ma. No, so because of that because we are using the for breathing and circulation of the blood. Not only that, so many activities are there. Our body will do so many activities inside the organs. So many organs are there in our body. Yes or no? Yeah, breathing organ, lungs will go for breathing, and circulation, blood is going to circulate our body, and nervous system will carry the information. Brain will think more, using more energy. Children, brain needs so much water. That's the reason it's very important when the morning wake up after without doing brushing, you should drink at least 1 glass. Start it at least little bit, increase. After 1 month you can reach to the 1 liter at least. Okay, children, slowly, not more than 1 liter, little bit, half liter. Some how much you want to drink, that much warm water have to drink, children. Understand? So blood circulation, and not only that, kidney will do the action. All the waste materials will be removed by the kidney cells. Yes, all the cells are work together. Yes or no? We are sleeping, but our body is not taking any rest. Okay, children, it is rest in condition, but inside the organs not taking any rest. Okay, children, why energy need? We need energy. Do you understand now? Why not? We can't say. Okay, now see. Some question and answers they are asking. Don't get food if you are not getting the food for lunch. Okay, just think. If you are not getting food for lunch, what you will do? How do you feel? Hungry. Yes or no? Yeah. And many days. If you are not getting many days, it's happened for many days without the food. How you feel? You can't bear the hungry feeling. Yes or no, children? Yeah. That do you understand? Our digestive system inside our body will produce the acids. In digestive system, hydrochloric acid will be produced inside. Okay, children? That hydrochloric acid will be utilized for the digestion of the food. Okay, children? Now see. Let us do next one. List out the food components. Children, I am going to give you one topic. What is that? List out the food components. What are the food components? For example, you did this one in your 6th class. Now I am telling you, if you buy any biscuit packet or anything, you have to do this activity tomorrow. And what you want to, these questions I will ask you. These answers have to write in your comment box, ma. And if you have any doubt from this lesson, you can ask ma. I am allowing everyone to ask the questions. I am here for clear your answers, your doubts. Okay, ma. Now listen. List out the components. Now food item you can take. For example, what you are buying. If you are buying biscuit, okay, you have to write here. You have to complete this table. Here you can write biscuit. Okay. Okay, children, wait, ma. I am writing mistake. Now, sorry for that. Okay. You have to write biscuit packet. Or you can write, Lays you can buy. and you can write at least 3 food items. Okay, anything. Here carbohydrate, how much will be there? They will give some amount of kilo calories, they will give. How much energy will come, they will give. Okay, that you have to write. Protein, how much will be there? Fat, how much will be there? Vitamin and minerals, how much will be there? Any other things will be there, that you have to write. You have to complete this table, ma. Now I am asking you 3 questions, 3 or 4 questions. Now see, if you are taking biscuit packet, most common, most in the total, most common, which nutrient is most common? I have to see that, and if you have to complete the 3 and see that which food item is which is common in that, and 3 most common, and after any 3 vitamins and minerals are same or not, you have to see. Okay children, next, any similarities are there, any dissimilarities are there in the any food item, any component has any similarities, you have to check it, ma. Understand children? Now before going to write, you write it. After, in the next class, already in your previous class you learned what is carbohydrate, what is protein, what is fat, vitamin, mineral, and all you learned. Okay, I will recollect you everything once again, and I'll go for the next topic in the next class. Okay ma, if you like this channel, please ma, like it, share it, and do subscribe it. Okay, okay ma, thank you Nana.